Hey, it's Klaus here with another e-commerce coffee break quick tip episode. This time I want to talk about how you can set up a virtual phone number for your business. So let's get right into it. Now, first of all, I want to answer the question why a phone number is so important for your business. Now, obviously, you want to have a way that the clients can contact you. And if you have an online business, a lot of people nowadays assume that just having an email address or contact form is enough for your customer. But actually, a phone number gives you much more trust or builds much more trust on your store for your customers. So you don't really hide behind an email address or contact form. You really show that you're approachable, that people can reach you by phone, and that you're a legitimate company. Now, a lot of stores start as a side hustle. So that means people are having their full-time job and have this store as a side hustle, as a business that they do in their free spare time. And for that reason, they shy away to have a phone number because they think, yeah, if somebody calls, I will not be able to take that call. Now, there's a way around this, and I want to show you on how you can do this. So I'm using a service that's called Grasshopper.com. I'm not affiliated to them, but I'm using them for a couple of years now in my own business, and it works quite well. So with Grasshopper, you can create a virtual phone number and a virtual phone system, actually, where you get your own phone number through Grasshopper. Now, once you sign up and you log in, you will be able to upload a MP3 or a WAV file, so basically an audio recording from of your voicemail. So whatever you want to say, you just record that on your device, and then you upload this to Grasshopper. They have an option which is called Voice Studio, where you can have a voice actor do the recording for you. So that's an extra cost, but basically you're just sending them a text that you want to have for your voicemail, and then a professional actor will speak or basically record this text for you. So that's a nice option. Once you have your phone number through Grasshopper and you have uploaded your voice file as a main greeting or as a greeting for a extension number, you are sort of ready to go. So you will put this phone number on your website, put it somewhere high and easy, where it is easy to find, because it builds up trust on your website, and you're ready to take calls. Now, so as said, you probably don't want to take the calls. So what do? The key there is to have the right voice message. You want to have a voice message that basically says, welcome to XYZ store. Unfortunately, at this point in time, we're not able to take your call. Anyway, the best way to reach us is via email at this ... email address. If you want to leave a message, then you can do it after the tone, and we will get back to you via email as soon as possible. So something in this regards, and it makes it very clear and straightforward, that email is your main communication tool, but you still are taking calls. Now, where does the call go? The call obviously goes into a voice box, into a voicemail, and Grasshopper creates a WAV file, which then will be sent to your email address. So you don't even have to log into Grasshopper. You just get an audio file as an attachment, and that goes straight to your inbox, and then there you can listen to it. Now, hopefully the people leave their email address there, and then you can get back to them. So you need to make 100% sure that you're not calling them back, that they should not leave their phone number, but instead should leave their email address for you so that you can contact them with whatever question they had. So I hope that makes sense for this quick tip. Let me know what are you using in your business when it comes to phone numbers and telephone support, and leave it in the comments. And I see you and hear you in the next e-commerce coffee break. Hey, Klaus here. Before you leave, I have a question for you. Are you a Shopify store owner and you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed, not sure what to do next to grow your business? Do you struggle to convert traffic into sales and turn website visitors into buyers? Do you want to have direct access to a mentor who can assist you with your store, your strategy, offer, marketing, sales, and anything else you might need in your business? Then I would invite you to apply for my Get Conversions program, where I show you how to remove the guesswork out of growing your Shopify business and create clarity to optimize your business for maximal growth and profit. This is an application-only program. To apply, go to klauslauter.com to learn more. And finally, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It's a huge help and allows me to reach more people with this channel. Thanks in advance, and until next time at the e-commerce coffee break.